5 of our Super Bowl tailgating week. So today we are going downfield and I'm going to show you how to make bacon shrimp wraps. They taste marvelous, okay? So with no further ado, let's jump right into this video. To start off, you want about a pound of shrimp, so about 20 shrimps, I would say. You want 4 tablespoons of melted butter. You want bacon, but you want to cut it into 3s. So 1 strip of bacon cut into 3s. You have your chili powder here. I already say paprika. You have 1 tablespoon of chili powder and 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. I have my oven eye preheated at 400 degrees, and I have my pan lined here with aluminum foil. So we're going to start off. Oh, I'm sorry. And you're going to need toothpicks. So you're going to just take your shrimp. You want them to be deveined, peeled, but you want the tail on. So you're just going to take your bacon and you're going to wrap it around your shrimp. And you want to secure it. I'm just lay some toothpicks down here. And you want to secure it with a toothpick like that. And you're just going to go on with the remaining of your shrimp and bacon. Our bacon wrapped shrimps are all wrapped. I had a piece of bacon here. Those 2 pieces there was left over, so I just threw them in a pan so they can get cooked. But other than that, they are all wrapped and ready to go. Now you want to take your 4 tablespoons of melted butter, your 1 tablespoon of chili powder, and your 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. And you want to mix it real good. Okay, after you mix it really good, now that that is mixed really good, you just want to take it and you just want to spread it over your shrimps like really good. But you want to save some. Now that I have spreaded our mixture over our shrimp, you want to place them in the oven for 15 minutes or until the bacon is crispy and the shrimps are done. So once I had stated before, my oven eye is on 400. Our bacon wrapped shrimp has cooked for 20 minutes. I did an extra 5 just to make sure that it was good and done. So now you just want to take your remaining of your sauce and just, you know, just dab it on there. Like so. And you want to put it back in the oven and you want to cook it on broil for 3 minutes. Only 3 minutes. You don't want them to burn, you don't want them to be black, so be careful. Depends on your oven time. You may have to do like 2 minutes, but just keep eye on them. I have broiled our shrimp for 2 minutes because my oven broils really fast and I didn't want them to burn. So there you have it. Now all you want to do is you can serve them with or without the toothpick. But don't they look amazing? Look at that. All that goodness. This is another crowd pleaser. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video of my bacon wrapped shrimp. They were super easy to make, not a whole lot of ingredients, and it was quick, okay? This is one of your go-tos for any occasion, but definitely for this tailgating Super Bowl party that's coming up, okay? So if you haven't subscribed, go make sure you go subscribe because you don't want to miss an upload. We also have 2 more videos coming up for our Super Bowl week, okay? Now, with that being said, we have other great videos that's coming up after Super Bowl week, okay? Because we have videos every Monday, every Wednesday, every Friday. All right, okay, so comment below, let me know what you think about this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Until tomorrow, thanks for watching. Bye.